how to sand with a DeWalt Oscillating Multi-Tool. Now today I'm going to sand the bottom of this skirting where I've had some architrave attached to the bottom and I want it to smooth out before painting. However, the principles are the same no matter what you're sanding with your DeWalt Oscillating Multi-Tool. So the first thing we want to cover is the actual sanding pads. As you can see here on the back of the sanding pad you'll see numbers. So what do the numbers actually mean? Lower numbers, say for instance 40 to 60, represent large and coarse particles for heavy material removal. So this is ideal for stripping and rough shaping. Higher numbers, say for instance 180 to 600 plus, represent smaller fine particles for finishing, smoothing and polishing. So ideally you want to start on smaller numbers and work your way up until you get to the larger numbers, and this will give you a nice perfectly smooth finish. So start on the lower numbers and then work your way up to the larger numbers. Now the first thing to keep in mind is to remove all nails and things like that out of whatever you're sanding, because it will rip the pad like this and you'll have to get a new one. Now the DeWalt Oscillating Multi-Tool does come with this triangle attachment. So easy to add and remove. You can see here, you just add it like you would with any blade. Remove the pad, add the sandpaper grit that you want to the Velcro triangle, and away you go. Now what you want to do, now the thing with the triangle head like this pointy bit at the end allows you to get deep into the corners. When you come to sand, place the pad flat on the surface, press the power button and move the head back and forward. Don't apply too much pressure to the head, it's not actually needed. Just allow the tool to do the work. As you can see here, place it straight and flat on the surface and allow the tool to do the work. Once you've done a few runs of the grit you're using, move up to a higher grit until you get to the smoothest of your desire. So hopefully you've learned something from this video and it helps you sand using a DeWalt Oscillating Multi-Tool. If it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe and thank you for watching.